So, personally, I believe that it would be very difficult to communicate with other solar systems because first we would have to prove that there's life outside of our solar system. In order to do that, we are already trying to do research, trying to look for water on other planets, where it's minuscule for us to find in our own solar system. So the lack of certainty of not having water or having it in other systems to sustain life makes us wary of whether we can communicate with other solar systems or not. However, from a more scientific perspective, we can, in the same way that we can see light from stars that died billions of years ago, we can hear sounds that happened billions of years ago. So in that way, I do think it is possible to communicate with other solar systems as they emit their own sounds. However, our lack of knowing if there's life or not makes it difficult to communicate with sentient beings.